Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about uh, wet thickness, line thickness, and how to provide the layer and default setting. Today I will discuss about everything about to line thickness and line weight. So when you click this, first of all, this is our rectangle here. First I click this rectangle, then draw here rectangle. It is make the rectangle. When I click this line, the line joint will setting here when I want to center midpoint. So when here click the line and join to midpoint, and also join here, select and again enter here the midpoint and join. So this is make the line here. First of all, how to use the layer. So look at this property right now, property in showing the color. First of all, this is layer here. When I want to color particular this line, this particular line, I got select, select this line and go to layer color. When I provide the red color, okay, then also I will provide the thickness here. If I want to give the thickness, is there start from by layer, by block default 00 thickness, when 0.05 thickness, 0.09 thickness, 0.13 thickness. So if you requirement, according to requirement, if you selected this all thickness when your diagram, so I will select this 0.09. this is the standard for drawing, looking is good. Then here the lay by layer, look at this by layer. When I want to I have selected right now by layer, by block, continue, and I want to go to other I will go to here, and when I decide the continue, and also when I want to load it here, when I go to load, this is load here. And if you want to select it this center line, because I have created the center line. So when you look at this, where is your center line, find out boundary, border, center. Here there's different types of line is available. When I want to center line, so where is it center line, first find out here the center line. Look at this, this is called center line. If I want to load, apply current, so look at this, apply the center line in diagram. So when you select this and go to line here and apply the center line, okay, so look like type of center line here. And look at this, this is center line. And if you change the center line, so you can change easily by layer, you can do the by layer. So I will provide the thickness is boundary thickness when increase. So this is your thickness process. When I got, look at this, if you again change the thickness is much more. So look at this, here the thickness has been changed and increased there. So it is good to maintain this. When I provide the dimension here, look at this, and also I will provide the dimension here. When I want to go to change particular. So if you select this and delete here, so when I want to go to provide increase this dimension because not visible properly, so how to increase? So first of all, go to de-enter, then here look at this, and I want modify. When increase this text height, first of all, which type of arrow I want architectural arrow. So when I click this architecture, and leader line is close filled, their size is minimum 1 mm is sufficient. If you 0.5 mm is sufficient, then is complete. Then text setting is also, when I provide the text setting, when give the color here, which type of color you want give, you look at this. Then I will give this dimension here 0.5 also. Then here coming to feet, they are not used. Primary unit system is more importance. Click the decimal here when I want to single decimal, so when you use. Then how to adjustment, or look at this here, the dimension is looking center area, this point to this point between center of 6 mm, same thing is 60. Also look at this center. So I want above the level of line, so this is above here, and outside is going. And also I want center. If I don't give the center, so this is, look at this this type of center position. Outside is everything, so is importance for us. Then I have provided this type of dimension, over type of dimension, and center type of dimension. And right click when I want to move and rotation. Then alignment, if you give the alignment is very important. ISO standard is also very important. Horizontal type is this position, alignment is this position, ISO standard is this position. When I will provide the dimension is particular 0.1 mm gap. If you not the suitable, so 0.2 mm gap we will provide. Look at this here. So this is settings is very important. Press the de-enter and come from setting in dimension. So when you go to here and apply the current setting, if you apply this current set and close, look at this here, dimension is perfectly setting. If I want to provide the dimension is center way, so I have go to some distance to increase here, and also selected this position, and also increase this here. When I go to again smart dimension, we will click this smart dimension and go to center point, and also go to point, and it is provide. Same thing again, I will select this point here and also select this point here, and look at this. So it is very useful and properly bilayer thickness, everything easily setting for AutoCAD. So thank you for watching.